morning, guys. It's August 17th, 2021. So there I got a call from my guy. He's having a problem with his toilet. He paid $300 to have it fixed, and it won't fill now, from what he's saying. I don't know. He's all bumhurt about it. So I'm gonna go over there and been on the phone a couple of times with this cat. Told him, well, I gotta go over there and look at it, see what's going on with it. He's a little upset about the $300, but what can I tell him? Should have called me the first time. We'll go by there and see what's going on with it and see what he's complaining about, and maybe we can fix it for him. Maybe, maybe not. Backing up, or I thought you said it was a toilet.
Wait. They charged me a lot of money to do this, and these things keep popping up.
Oh, I can fix that. I can fix these things popping off. That's not a problem.
All right. So then
this thing's dripping, huh?
Well, yeah. I was gonna do this myself, and but anyway. Now listen to this toilet now. All right, so now it flushes.
All right, let's take the top off. Put this on the floor so I don't break it. You got it?
It's already broken, so.
Well, we don't want to break it again. Yeah, it's not filling. Need a new fill valve, or I might have some. See how it's sticking?
I don't know. He potted around with it, and.
Well, you need a new one. Did you see me just lift it and it started? We need a new one.
See what? Oh, and then he changed the flapper, and then he did something over here, and then he added this pipe, this thing over here.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
And then I asked somebody from Westport who's a plumber, I said, well, you know, I told him what the scenario was.
This thing's sticking. This thing was stuck.
And then,
you'd have to, you know, I would put a new one in there, and then, you know, because they start sticking like that.
He just changed that.
Well, why don't you call him back then and get him?
No, I already did. And
he refused to come back?
Yep. That's 18.
How long ago did he change it?
Just recently, about $300.
How long ago did he change it, sir?
He just changed it a couple of weeks ago.
Couple of weeks.
Yeah, they worked over here. They worked over here on this.
Who was it?
AT&T.
Okay, yeah, I know them guys.
And then,
don't look new to me. You say it's brand new?
No.
What's all this white shit in there? You spraying a cleaner in there or something?
No. Sorry.
Right now it's filling up fine. It was stuck.
Well, that's because when he changed the flapper, it was, the guy's name was, he always fumbles around when he's doing stuff, so. But I know when I when I go to the bathroom and stuff, when I flush it, it doesn't, it swirls around and everything. I'm saying, oh, well, maybe sometimes it takes a long time to fill back up. And then the other thing I was doing is I was putting in those little tabs of Clorox.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Oh.
Because that's the worst thing you can do, because them Clorox tablets can get stuck inside the flush rim, okay?
Yeah.
And then ruin the toilet.
Okay.
Don't use them, please.
Oh, okay.
That's probably why you needed the flapper and everything.
Okay.
You don't want to use that. We'll see how it flushes, okay? You're saying it don't flush. It's filling up fine now.
Well, you have the magic touch.
I got the magic touch, all right. So let's see what we got here. That's fine. It's filling up here now. Sometimes you've got to adjust the float a little bit.
The only thing I thought was when they changed the...
See, it's filling up fine now, sir. I'm going to give it a couple of flushes and make sure it's good, but I'm not going to sell you something you don't need, but
now,
you can hear it filling, right?
Now, the shutoff thing there, he replaced this, And I wasn't, and then, is that a half, three-quarter turn thingy?
No, it's a full turn one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's always something, ain't it?
Never a dull moment, I would say. How come you didn't fix this?
It did, and then it popped off.
Well, it's probably the seats are bad.
Well, no.
The thing's dripping here. I mean, how come it's dripping so bad? Did he fix that? Oh, you gotta shut it. Okay, you just have to shut it off. You didn't have it off all the way. No wonder why it's dripping. I can fix that part. Let me see how it flushes here. Hang on a second. We'll give it the full...
Now, I thought maybe that...
Oh, that thing's flushing fine.
Okay, so you said you had the magic touch.
When I came here, this thing was stuck. Okay. I just hit it, and then it's fine now. You know?
Yeah.
See, this goes up and down. It's pretty, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. If this thing was sticking, I mean, it's a new unit, you said, right? You just paid for it. I don't want to put another one in for you if it's fine. Usually, if they flush 3-4 times in a row, they're fine.
Okay.
You know, if it starts acting up again, I mean, we could replace that, but you said it's only a week old?
No, well, they did some plotting around with the...
You sure he changed this?
Probably, I don't know, he had a whole bunch of stuff.
It looks new to me. And he says this is popped off, so we can fix this. It's not a big deal. Yeah, so... Just gotta bend these out a little bit, give it a little bit more tension.
You need any tools or anything?
No, it should be fine. With these, you just gotta bend them, put a little bit more. See how this is? You gotta put a little bit more tension on these things.
Well, I bought some from Lowe's, and the holes were different sizes, so...
Yeah. I mean, it's not like a ball valve, it's just a little O-ring in there.
Yeah.
The guy just put a new piece in there, right?
Yeah.
Bent the clip. Bent the clip so the clip's not going to pop out anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes you just see how they are. Sometimes you just have to bend them. Give you a little bit more spring-loaded. Load them up. Spring-load them a little bit. You got these at Lowe's?
I got one set at Lowe's, and then the other set came with the...
Yeah, so it's working. There you go. This thing's working. I mean, I flushed it 4 times in a row.
Okay.
Let's see if it sticks. Kicked in that time. I mean, it says it's new, it's not that old. That's what, 5-6 flushes?
Yeah. So you want me to make a printout for it, or do you want a credit card?
I don't do credit cards.
Okay.
They want 4% every time I do a credit card, so I mean it adds up. 4%. I mean that's why I say I don't forget the credit card. I mean people can give me a check, right?